we buy lead, we had the old mountain rifle, and that was the only means of gun we had. And we go and buy a bar and a half of lead, and our bar was maybe 8 inches long, and we got a bar and a half. I don't know what it cost, I think 10 cents a pound about. And then we had powder there. He had powder and had caps, all the supplies for these muzzle-loading guns, because that's the only kind there was then, you see. And we had this old mountain rifle, and one time I had a old muzzle-loader shotgun. But I don't remember a lot about it, how they had it or what they done with it or anything. Never used it, don't think any. But I got old enough till I got to use the old mountain rifle. I remember my first squirrel. Grover was, he always looked after me. When I started school, he was the fellow that cared for me and seen I got there and back and all that sort of thing. So Grover was a sort of a champion of mine, and we worked together a lot. And so I don't know how old it was, but Grover and I went hunting, and we went up on the hill or someplace, and the dog treed the squirrel up a locust tree, big, great big locust. And I could see the squirrel up in there, so Grover very patiently fixed the old rifle, and I couldn't hold it up this way, but Grover fixed so I could get up against a bush or something for a rest. So I got this like this. I had to hold the gun up against the bush in order to hold it up. But I got my squirrel, and that was the first squirrel I ever got, and I started hunting, but Grover was responsible for that.